Put some tape on your broom, and you'll be surprised by the result. You've been using the broom the wrong way your whole life. Plus, I'll show you why you should put tape on your phone. And if you also have trouble opening a jar or threading a needle, I'll show you an easy way to solve it using tape. Let's start with the first trick. Why you should put tape on your phone. For this, just cut a piece of tape and place it on this part of the phone, where the speaker holes are, where the sound comes out. Now use a paper clip like this and start inserting it into the holes. By doing this, you'll have removed all the dirt and dust that gets in there, and often hampers the sound output. All this dirt will stick to the tape. The result is excellent. Now I'll show you how to use tape to thread a needle easily. The first thing you should do is cut a piece of tape. Then just take the thread you need to pass through the needle and place it in the center of the tape. And now let's fold it, keeping the thread well centered. After that, just use scissors to make a diagonal cut. It should be as thin as possible at the tip of the thread. Now just pass it through the needle's eye and then pull. And as you can see, with the tape, it's much easier. I guarantee that doing it this way, you'll never have trouble threading a needle again. Now I'll show you how tape can help you open a tightly closed jar. Just cut a large piece of tape, enough to completely wrap around the jar lid. Try to keep it as tight as possible, avoiding folds. Now just finish by sticking the excess tape to the top. After that, just apply a little bit of force, and you'll be able to open the jar without any trouble. Now that you've learned some tricks with tape, it's time to show you what it's for on the broom. Usually, when you sweep your house, the broom ends up like this, full of hair and fur, especially if you have pets at home. But when you put a piece of tape on the broom, you will definitely solve this problem. Try this at home. The result is amazing. See how all the hair and fur stick to the tape. Then just remove the tape, and your broom will always be like new. So this was today's video. I hope you liked it. Let me know which of these tape tricks you liked the most, and which will be the most useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.